Vibhinta again. First of all, I want to thank all of you for the incredible amounts of love you all gave me for the first video. Thank you so much. And I'm back today with my second video. This video is going to be about products and how to make the perfect kit. What I like to call your essential makeup kit. A lot of you asked me about the products that I was using in my first video, and I hope this one clears things up. So if any of you are noticing, my grays have started to show, and you know what? I'm letting them show proudly because I want to tell you that it's not important to be perfect. It's to make the best of any circumstance you're in. So until I can return to the salon, I'm going to have to live with my gray hair, and I'm going to keep showing them off. It's not like I have a choice. Your essential makeup kit should suit your lifestyle. Let me show you 3 examples of what an essential makeup kit can look like. This is an essential makeup kit. And so is this. And so is this. So ask yourself 2 questions. 1, how much do you know about makeup? And 2, what are your makeup goals? And then use the guide to build your perfect essential makeup kit. This guide is divided into 3 categories: beginner, intermediate, and pro. The beginner has 6 products, the intermediate has 15, and the pro has 21. Each has 3 brand recommendations in the categories of drugstore, premium, and luxury, so that you can build a kit no matter what your budget. Remember, the brands don't pay me to promote them. These recommendations are purely on my personal experience with each. I might have had a great experience with them, but each skin is different, and I recommend that you test all cosmetics before buying them. At the end of the guide, I've included a list of tools. Remember to choose quality over quantity, and you'll have a great kit. Grow your kit with experience and as your budget allows. The 6 bare essentials for the makeup newbie are liquid foundation and concealer, a powder blush because powders are easier to work with and last you longer, a kohl pencil, a mascara, and a great nude lipstick. Level 2 is the essentials of growing your makeup kit. These are 9 products: loose powder, highlight contour duo, a neutral eyeshadow quad, liquid eyeliner, a skin primer, color corrector if you really need it, lipsticks in statement colors like deep wine, red, and hot pink, a nude lip liner, and an eyebrow kit. Now this is a great makeup kit for most women. You can choose to add cheek and lip tints and more eyeshadow colors. But if you're passionate about makeup, you're going to build your kit beyond this. And these are the next 6 products you'll buy. First, you might want some more foundations in different colors or textures, cream, powder, liquid, to help your friends or clients like I do. A larger professional eyeshadow palette, a sculpting palette with multiple shades of contour, and next, multiple color correctors. They come in lavender, green, red, yellow, and orange. Many of you will want to splurge on lipsticks of multiple colors and textures like matte, glossy, metallic, and liquid. And to end these 21 products, fake eyelashes are great if you want a dramatic look, and they're easier to apply than you think. And now it's time for the essential tools in the kit. Here are the 24 essential tools: 9 for the beginner, 15 for the intermediate, and 24 at the pro level. And of course, invest in the best quality makeup remover, cleanser, toner, moisturizer, and lip balm so that you look your best with or without makeup. So that's it, the essential makeup kit. If you want personalized recommendations about products, colors, shades, and techniques for your skin, book a private session with me. The link is at the end of the video. Don't forget to tell me what you liked or didn't like about this video in the comment section.